Yes, yes, sir. As lead counsel for Black Lawyers for Justice, and my law practice here in this area, law offices of Malik Shabazz, I want to say that we've reached a couple of resolutions between cases I've talked about here before. I've spoke on some music cases, I think, the other week of Khallid Muhammad's estate and their actions towards Def Jam Records, Universal Records, and that put out classic albums, Makaveli, the Don Illuminati, the 7-Day Theory by Tupac's last album, which features Khallid Muhammad, and Public Enemy's awesome, legendary album, talking about it takes a nation of millions to hold us back. What features Khallid Muhammad. Many people don't know it. Khallid Muhammad is that voice on a Night of the Living Baseheads. Well, we have litigation and court action against him in California because we want Dr. Khallid Muhammad to receive his named credit and his royalties from these projects so that it can help his estate and the revolutionary work that his estate is doing to keep his legacy alive. And so I say all that to say that we did not, that we reached a resolution in one of those matters, and that's where brothers that were not sued, but we were able to reach a resolution with the representatives of Pete Rock and Common. Pete Rock and Common for their album that they released together, joint album last year on the Auditorium. It's called the Auditorium. And on that song, So Many People, they used the voice of Khallid Muhammad, and I guess they didn't get it clear with his family or with us. But we're pleased to announce that amicably that we resolved this matter. We didn't have to go into court against our brothers and their representatives, that we have resolved it, and that Khallid Muhammad will forever have named credit on this album, The Auditorium, by Pete Rock and Common. He has named credit. And for undisclosed royalties for past and future, that Khallid Muhammad's estate and his legacy, which is striving to build a museum, training institutions, and documentaries about Khallid Muhammad, that it has been resolved, and you'll forever see his name on that album. And we hope to reach similar agreements, if we can, with these other record labels and executives. And hopefully this will resolve it so we don't have to put an injunction and stop and shut all those labels down. We don't want to do that. And so we want to report some progress in that area.